The world is changing. The way we think about innovation, the way we engineer solutions, the way we lead. Creating new technologies can't be done using the same old methods. Innovation means changing the game, not just the way it's played. We're not just thinking outside the box, we're living outside the box. For over 160 years, we've expanded our presence, from a small business to an increasingly global organization. As we break down barriers, grounded in our values, we're taking our community and the world to new heights. At Barnes, we're extending our reach, emphasizing diverse approaches and perspectives, inviting the next generation of creators and innovators to drive a future that's greener, safer, better, more inclusive, and evolving faster than ever before. We're challenging the status quo, changing the definition of possible. And chances are, so are you.